Hi beauties, Maria here for Beauty Junkies, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Pro Tapered Blending Brush from Beauty Junkies. Now this brush was designed for applying and blending a transition color base shadow into the crease of the eyelid for a soft, finished look. This type of blending brush will be a staple in your makeup routine and application. As I already mentioned, it's designed to apply a transition color to your crease and it just blends so softly. It's a nice fluffy brush that really blends and diffuses that transition color into your crease as well as all over your lid if need be. It's a brush that you will continue to come back to and use throughout the makeup application and process of creating a multi-dimensional eyeshadow look. To start, dip the brush into the Beauty Junkies eyeshadow shade that you would like to use for your transition shade, and be sure to tap off any excess. Then place the brush in the crease of your eyelid, starting from the outer corner and going forward to the inner corner. You will sweep in either windshield wiper motions, moving the brush back and forth, circular motions, moving the brush forward in small circular motions, or by doing both, depending on your preference. I find doing both really helps to disperse and diffuse the color out best on my eye shape. Feel free to stop and grab a little more product as needed throughout this process. It's best to slowly build up color than to go right in with too much pigment. Now this is a brush you're going to want to hold on to and come back to throughout the remainder of your eyeshadow look, which I will demo next. It's a great brush for thoroughly blending and diffusing your eyeshadows out so they look nice, soft, and well blended. Now after laying down a darker crease shade, here's where you can go back in with the tapered blending brush and kind of help diffuse those colors together so that there's a nice soft blend. It's a small thing, but it definitely helps create a softer, more diffused, well blended look. And with each color you add to your eyes, it's nice to always go back to this blending brush and just continue to blend and diffuse those colors together, really just marrying them together. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.